welcome. In today's video, we will be unboxing a ukulele from Enya. But first, I want to introduce you to my special guest, Yoshino! Hi. She is a ukulele player and singer from mainland, and she's going to help me with today's unboxing. Hasami, right?
Hasami.
Okay. And we're gonna have her play the ukulele because she is really good. By the way, if you want to follow her on Instagram, I'll have it on the screen. Go and give her a follow. She is doing so many great things, singing, playing, and performing. So we are excited you are here. Thank you. Okay, Yoshi, go ahead and cut.
Waku waku.
Waku waku?
Waku waku. Okay.
Okay, yay! Hasami.
Hai, arigatou.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Sorry. ごめんね。
Okay. Yay! どうぞ。
ワクワク。
She's excited. Oh my god! Whoa! That is awesome!
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! What? Wow! That is pretty! So here we are looking at a slotted headstock. The geared tuners are actually two-tone. We have gold and we have black. And look at these fret markers!
Kawaii!
超かわいい. And then we have a rosette. It looks like kind of like a mother of pearl design. And of course the strings are pulled in through the inside. And all that is the strings are tied to like a little washer or like kind of like a bead. And you pull them through and outside and tie them. So they're just set inside. It's a very flat back. And the strap button is in a different place. Usually I'll see them on the side. So it'll be interesting to check how that strap button in the middle does. It looks like the head and the neck are all one piece. Sometimes you'll see the head is a separate piece and then the neck. We have a little bit of carving here. I'm going to have Yoshi take over for the tuning and playing demonstration. You're gonna love it. Okay.
歌います。Always fall the way you look at me. Always fall the only one I see. We is very, very extraordinary. You see them more than anyone that you. そう、音、サウンド、とっても綺麗。
Yeah.
あったかい。Warm?
Yeah.
Stay, I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. Don't feel like picking up my phone. Just leave a message at the dawn. Stay, I swear I'm not doing anything. Nothing at all.
So I hope that you enjoyed that mini concert playing test with Yoshi. She is so talented. I had heard her sing before, but I had not heard her do the Okinawan music. You blew me away. Sugoi. You are so good, so humble, right? So as with all of our ukulele unboxings, I will continue playing with this ukulele. Please pop any questions you have about the instrument down in the comments below, because then I can answer them in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you'll come back for the review and to learn ukulele in this channel. See you in the next one. Sayonara!